Afternoon. I believe all of you know why I asked you to be here today. Davidson County DA Funk has obtained 9 indictments against my corrections deputies in the unfortunate death of Mr. Gershun Freeman. I've said from the outset, the way this case was being handled is political, and it's only grown worse. Shelby County DA Mulroy turned this case over to Davidson County DA because he had a personal conflict due to his support of one of my political opponents. Mr. Funk quickly released an edited jail surveillance video. Even Mr. Mulroy agrees that prosecutors are not permitted to release a jail video surveillance footage to the public. Until we had acknowledgement from Mr. Mulroy, my office would show, but not provide him with the footage. State law allows me to withhold jail video surveillance tapes from the public due to security reasons to protect everyone within as well as the community. Mr. Mulroy has always had access to jail videotapes. The TBI investigation has handled in-custody deaths involving the Shelby County Sheriff's Office. TBI conducted the investigation in Mr. Freeman's case. I asked that this case be reassigned from Mr. Funk, as he was and remains the subject of a TBI criminal investigation. This request was not honored. Mr. Funk's own investigator was the only one present in this case during the grand jury to present it to them. Not only did TBI conduct the investigation, they were not allowed to be in the grand jury. This is highly unusual. Also highly unusual is the way the indictments have been handled. They were to be secret until the warrants were issued and served. Local media knew the names of all the officers on Tuesday. In another instance, that's another highly unusual instance, Mr. Funk's office began calling officers personally to tell them about the indictment. Let me be clear, no actions by any Shelby County Sheriff's Office employee caused Mr. Freeman's death. The medical examiner plainly said that he died from a pre-existing heart condition. This death is tragic, and the family of Mr. Freeman remains in my prayers. I want this community to know that I stand with these officers. I believe that if I were not running for another office, these indictments never would have happened. And I find this despicable. The officers remained on paid administrative leave. If there's a fundraiser to help with their legal fees, I will be the first one to donate. Thank you.